Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to share a solution which has been given by Anand. I call him Junior Bill Gates. He is having enough knowledge in Excel. Then also he is having a little bit of a doubt, so he has sent this query to solve. So here I try to solve it, and please, before going to start, please like, share and subscribe, and after subscription click on bell icon. Whenever I post a video in YouTube, you will get a notification, so that you are the first person who are watching my videos. Okay, now going back to the solution. See, here is the solution. Okay, so here is actual solution is that, wait a minute, because see, here is, sorry for disturbance, here is the solution which I'm going to share with you guys. Here he has given this table with student and males. I mean, wait a minute. See, here he has given this query. Okay, students and parents. So, like this, he has given student name is email 1 and parent name is email A. Again, student name is email 1 and another parent for the same student. For the same student, two parents are there. It may be a mother or it may be a father, but duplicates. Okay, understood, guys? One father, two wives. Right, like that it is. It may be. Okay, so we have to find that for this student, how many parents are there? Who are those parents? Okay, this is the query. You have to extract the parent name as per the student which is given by the my friend, that is Anand. Okay, so before going to start, I will delete this solution. See, it's very easy. Equal to index. First of all, first of all, what I'll do before going to start, I will use that click. I'm locking only the column, but not the row. Okay, because whenever I drag this formula, it has to move accordingly. But B column should be locked, but 11 should become 12. When I drag formula row wise, 11 has to become 12 and 12 has to become 13, like that. And B should be stable over there only. Equal to, I'm asking, is there anything, any value which is matches with the student? Okay, any match which is any student and parent matches over there. Close parenthesis and again open parenthesis. And I press F9 to evaluate, and then we have to check whether where it is and what are those. Wherever it finds the email one, so it will show the true, remaining falses. Wherever it finds the true, right? Control Z. Now what I'll do, I use one amazing, before going to start, I will copy this because I need this one. Okay, copy. Now coming to here, what I'll use, if logical test. If it finds what you need, if it finds that there are so many truths are there. So if any student matches in that from the table, then what you have to do? What I'll do, I will use a row function minus row of plus one. Because I need 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. For that reason, I have used this function. See what it will. I click on this and I will show you. It will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F9. Okay, in previous video, I explained each and everything about this. So you go over there and check it out. What is the difference between rows, columns, all these things. Okay, when we have to use, how we have to use, okay, in which formula we have to use those type of functions. All things I have already posted in YouTube. If anybody wants that, please let me know in the comment box. I will post that YouTube link. See, here it is. Simply, I'll not just I'll press enter, F2. Now, what will happen? It's a logical test. Okay, F9. So 1, 2 matters here. 1 and 2 is matters. So it will pick up accordingly. This is the logic. It will pick up accordingly. F9. So wherever it finds the 2, it will pick up corresponding numbers, that is 1 and 2. Okay, and remaining are all zeros or falses. 1, 2. Remaining are all falses. Okay, escape. Now we got this one. F2. So what I'll do, I want first, first smallest, second smallest, third smallest, like that. So I use small. Small. What will be the K part? K means which smallest do you need? Which smallest? That first smallest, second smallest. Okay. So here I need parent should be in a column wise, but not a row wise. Okay. If it is rows, no, I don't need. I need column wise. So for that reason, I use one function, that is columns. Columns, I am in C, the formula is in C11. So I log C11 colon C11. That's it. It's an array function, control shift and enters. Correct only formula is okay. F2, escape. I'll come to here. Okay, it's an array part, so it's not able to delete. So I'll continue here only. Now I will use this part now. Index, which one you need? Okay, I have to show you. See, it will be like this. Okay, wherever it will find like this. Okay, control D, control R, control R. So wherever it finds those type of things. Here this is wrong actually. It's an array part. So here see. Now I'll use index part. Index of what do you need? I need the parents. Select the parents. F4 comma. Okay, that's it now. Close parenthesis, control shift and enters. Why it is coming like this? Should not come like this. I have to remove all those things. Control R. Control R. Control R. No need of this, but it will not delete. It's because it's an array function. See, you cannot change part of an array. So it's an array function. Okay. I try to, because I'm using Excel 365. You cannot change array part. It has to be removed. Hmm. You cannot control. You control D. Already there. It's not able to understand why. Control Z. Let's try. Okay. Everything is correct. It is correct only. Have to now I'll use index part. I think because this is the problem with Excel 365. I'm using Excel 2010 functions. Excel 2010 functions. So this is the query. Okay. So that is all bullshit things. Okay. If I press again, it will come like that only. So I don't need to see. Let's try it. See, it will come like that only. Email one, email one. Why email one is coming? It should come email A, right? F2. Select this one. Array. Delete. No delete. Just edit it. Control Shift up arrow, down arrow, F4. Control Shift and Enter. Control R. Control Z. Control Shift and Enter. Okay. Control R. There has to come another one because Control R. Email 2 is C. Email C here, C. The procedure is correct, but I'm using 365, so I don't know how to make it like this. So for that reason, it is showing like this. Okay, I will do one thing. I'll press just enter. Okay, now I got an idea. Just I will press enter. Okay, I'll delete all those things. F2, enter. Remove this one. You can condition that. Okay. F2, enter. Yeah, delete. You can't delete also. What I'll do, I'll copy this formula from here. Let's check it out. This is the only method as of I know. Delete. Okay, everything is deleted. F2, Control V, enter. Because it's an array function, you have to use Control Shift and enter. In other versions, like from 2021, I think so, you have to use only enter. Okay, wherever you find the errors, F2, just if you want to remove, just what you will do, just use if error function over here. If error, if you find any error in this function, give me the blank. Enter. Control R, Control R, Control D, Control R, Control R. Done. This is the solution for the for which is has been sent by my friend Anand in Telegram group. Okay, and I'm having a lot of work, so I'm giving you this one query that you have to do reverse. If the data is like this, then how you'll find like this? How you'll get like this? You have to find it out that one. If data is like this, then you have to get like this with Excel 2010 functions only. Right, guys? Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.